Hello, everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, I wanted to come to you because, as you all know, this is the wonderful, wonderful holiday season, and I always get those wonderful questions of Cassandra, do you still do marketing or direct mail or anything like that during the holiday season? And yes, I absolutely do. Um, no, I'm not going to, in this video, show you actually all the marketing that I am actually going to be sending out tomorrow, but just know I trust that I do mailings all the way through the holiday season because I found that it does give me the results that a lot of people feel that they don't get. And that's because I'm consistent with my mailings. But I want to talk to you today about an opportunity called JD Marketing. And it's not really called JD marketing. Let me say that and be correct. It's an opportunity that I want to share with you on just 1 second. I apologize here. And guys, thank you so much for your patience there. But I wanted to share this opportunity with you, but I was not calling it the right thing. And it's called the Cash Building System Unlimited. Is The owner is named Jay, and it's from JD Marketing. Let me go ahead and show you that right there. That top, you see where it says JD Marketing, out of Ohio out of Ohio. And as you can see, this is a pretty new opportunity. The young man that I actually joined is number one. No, I said that incorrectly. The young man that I actually joined is number 224. And I'm at 251 so far that I always realize there's just about 300 people in the program right now. And so this is a brand new opportunity. But the reason why I wanted to share it with you guys is because I hadn't seen something like this in quite some time, and I wanted to share with everybody. I just joined. It's been, I joined this last week. I joined this last week, and I had a couple of people online that asked me, Cassandra, what are you doing? What is recent? What do you think is going to be a good postcard program that I can add to my portfolio and really start out 2021 in a wonderful way. And I actually said that that's just let you know how new it is because I really didn't know the name per se of it, but I'm familiar with Jay and he's through JD Marketing. That this opportunity would be a great opportunity to start off with. And one of the things that got me in my attention was simply this, that every time a person actually joins this wonderful cash infusion opportunity, they earn $25, number one. But not only do they earn $25, but they also earn 200 postcards plus 200 leads that the person can mail out. Now, one of the things we always realize is that when we get into, especially postcard marketing or direct mail, we're always looking for places that are going to allow us to be able to print at a cost-effective rate, and then also where can we get some prudent leads from? Where can we get some responsive, good, solid leads? Well, trust me, the only reason that I really, really felt good about this. It's number one is because the owner only makes money if you make money. So we know without an equivocal fact that he will make sure that you have leads that are going to produce results because this is the only way that he can get paid as well. So what I wanted to do is, like I said, last week I joined this. Last week I joined this, and I think I was package when you join. Okay, it's $50 to join this opportunity, and then it does also have upgraded levels, but I'm not going to get into that right now. This will be for another video, but just know that joining this opportunity for $50 gives you an opportunity to receive 200 postcards, 200 leads, and an order form to get additional postcards for yourself to get started. I already ordered um, additional postcards. I got 1,000 for $90 For that 1,000, I got an additional 1,000. So that's 2,000 postcards altogether for $90. Not only that, we got positioned in the matrix that every time somebody actually comes in, I will get paid $25 plus 200 postcards plus 200 leads. Now that's on the soft end. That means the very front end of everything. So what I want to do is show you, I got this already. Okay, now I'm assuming, because I have not opened this, and so you can see the date on here. You see the date on there, guys? This is recent, December 5th, 2020. Okay, so that's coming from JD Marketing, so you can see that. I'm assuming that this is a sale because this looks like the same package that I actually received to give me 200 postcards, 200 leads. So we're going to go ahead and open it, and you can see me open it right now. You saw the date. Uh-oh, sorry, guys. Okay, let me go this in. Well, let me just go this way. I'm opening it here, so you'll see how this goes. I'm getting postcards. That's how the postcards look. 50 in a stack. 1, 2, 3. Now it'll equal up to 200. So that's how that is. And then it comes with a folder, and then the folder always has your leads. Your folder always has your leads in here, and then looks like it's a payment. So it says payment, Cassandra, payment, and statement. So we're gonna get to that, but as you can see, these are the leads that go for the postcard for you. So this is sealed. You see that's sealed, so you can see how much you would get for this. Starting off, so it shows me, that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat, guys. I got cash. So it shows me that it shows exactly that someone actually came in. I'm not gonna put that person's name in there, but it shows you what their ID number is, 256, okay, and that I earned $25. $25, guys. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Like I said, I think I shared it with like 3 or 4 people. I had not shared this out yet, but as you can see, I already got more postcards. Already got, they are people of their word. So I like this opportunity. Like I said, there are several different levels that's on here. I would love to share this with you if you would love to. There's upgraded levels. Let me tell you about the upgraded level. If you come in at certain levels, whatever level that you come in, like $100, it'll upgrade you to 500. If it come in at I think 500, and forgive me, my eyeglasses are not on. But each level, and it has all the way up to 7 levels, but each level allows you to be able to be upgraded to the next level. So if you came in at level 3, they'll upgrade to the next level for free. Um, Wonderful opportunity. Seven levels, 2 paid positions per level. So you can see that on the top. I'm just going to give you this because just in case you want to pause it for the cause while you're looking at this video. Because like I said, this is seriously still brand new for me, but I love the opportunity. 200 free postcards and 200 free leads for every personal sign up. Guys, I see a lot of this, but I see we'll give you free leads and we'll give you free postcards every 5th person or every 4th person. But as you can see right here, it says 200 free postcards and 200 free leads for every personal sign up. That's every personal sign up. So this cuts out, guys, I'm telling you, I haven't seen anything like this one. It cuts out you having to try to screw around and see who I can get to get me some postcards. This is already giving me 200 postcards to mail out. Guys, 200 postcards, if you look at it, 10 or 15, 20 postcards per day, that's giving you enough postcards to mail out for 2 weeks. And I promise you with all everything that's in me. I truly believe in I mail out more, but I've seen a lot of my team members be able to mail out 10 or 15, 20, and they're getting 3 to 4 sign ups per week or more. Now, let me inject the income disclaimer. That's not what I'm saying is happening here, but just the fact that people are going to get 200 free postcards and 200 free leads for every personal sign up, I assure you that's going to help a boatload of people not have to worry about buying postcards, not have to worry about where can I get my lead source from. And I assure you the way this is set up, let me zoom it in again, as you can see right there, JD Marketing Monitor, he's going to get 10% of the sale. 10%, guys. 10%. Don't you think that they want to make sure that you have an opportunity to be able to earn as much as you can? So they're going to give you leads that's going to help you secure a winning return on your investment. All you're going to have to do is just put that 35-cent postcard stamp on this postcard and mail it out. Mail it out. Okay, guys, so as you can see, these are early numbers. These are not like those 4 and 5 digit numbers that you've been seeing going around for a long time. But here, the value, you're getting postcards, you're getting leads. This is something that's always been a pain and a sticker in people's side as to where to get the postcards done, what they need to do, how they need to do. And they even have a wonderful, wonderful printer who actually would put that ID number on the postcard for you, when you order from him or from him. So guys, I definitely want to introduce you to this wonderful cash building system unlimited. I think this will be a wonderful way for you to start out the new year and be able to use direct mail in a strong force. Okay, so guys, I got plenty opportunities that I am sharing with you all because I know everyone's looking for a cost effective way to get some extra income into their household. And I assure you, with mailing just a few postcards per day, 6 days a week, you can start the momentum that you need to do just that. Guys, I want to thank you so much for listening in. Please drop some comments. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Definitely, definitely, if you don't mind, stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing some more with you all. I know I've been out of commission, been doing things behind the scenes, but I want to make sure that I give you the best of the best, ending 2020 and beginning 2021 in the right way. Because I assure you, like I've been saying for several years now, it is your season, it is your time for abundance, and you need the right tools, you need the right business models to do just that for you and your family. I want to thank you so much. Definitely come back over and look and see what we have. Email me at askcassandra@gmail.com and allow me to go ahead and send this wonderful opportunity over to you so that you too can start collecting not only cash and income. I just want you to see the different incomes that you're able to get. Look at that. Look at that. When you upgrade to phase two, you'll be placed in position one. When someone signs up with your ID, go on. I'm telling you, guys, this is going to be a wonderful one for you to start out the new year with. Getting 200 postcards, 200 leads. Every single sign up that you get, you will never have to worry about running out of postcards or where you need to get your postcards printed or anything like that because they're going to be coming to you along with cash in the envelope. As you can see, it just started. I just started. So that means there's many rooms for many of you all to come in, start fresh, get on the ground running. Definitely, you have questions, email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Or you want to know exactly how you can get your hand on a postcard or get signed up online, definitely email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com and let's get you started today. Have a wonderful one. Speak to you soon. And guys, thank you for listening.